10 ingredients you should never apply on your face. Everyone wants to have that flawlessly beautiful skin. But did you know that some ingredients in your skincare products prevent you from getting the skin you want? Today, you will learn the 10 ingredients you should never apply on your face. Welcome to Lifehack Lion, the channel that roars the secrets of life. Make sure to watch this video till the end because you might be putting any of these things and you just don't realize it. Number 10. Kitchen ingredients. These include sugar, salt, ground nutshells, or coffee ground. Often, these ingredients are mentioned in DIY skincare recipes to use as facial exfoliants. While this may be excellent to use in DIY body scrub recipes, even the finest granules are too rough for the delicate skin on the face. These types of granules have jagged edges that scratch and break the skin, and these lacerations may not be visible to the naked eye. Also, repeatedly scrubbing and scratching the skin compromises its barrier functionality, immune response, and wound healing process. If you have applied kitchen ingredients on your skin, I bet you also have done number 1. Number 9. Raw apple cider vinegar or ACV. You might have heard that using full-strength ACV as a cleanser or toner for people with acne or hyperpigmentation is a good idea. I'm telling you now, it's not. Full-strength raw ACV is highly skin irritating and will cause inflammation and burns even after just one use. It's so acidic that it makes an effective remedy for burning off skin tags and warts, but continued use at full strength can cause permanent skin damage to surrounding tissue. It can be used on the skin in low percentages, but never more than 20%. Number 8. Lemons or lemon juice. Lemon juice is one of the oldest home remedies for lightening freckles, age spots, and melasma, and for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The thought behind its use makes sense as it is high in vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, and citric acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid or AHA commonly used in skincare products. However, like raw ACV, lemon juice is highly acidic and can cause inflammation, irritation, and compromise the skin's barrier function. Ascorbic acid increases your skin's photosensitivity, thereby increasing the risk of sunburn, skin cancer, hyperpigmentation, and premature aging. Number 7. Baking soda. Baking soda is commonly used for cleaning just about anything from hubcaps to hair, but it should not be used full strength as an acne treatment or skin lightener. Using a high concentration of an alkali like baking soda can have an even worse effect than using acids on the skin. That is because the skin's pH typically ranges from 4.5 to 5.5. Since the skin is slightly acidic, applying an ingredient with a high pH is even more damaging than applying an acid of equivalent potency. Number 6. Artificial fragrance. Almost every single conventional skincare and cosmetic product, even unscented ones, contains artificial fragrances. Manufacturers are not required to reveal what's in their fragrances, so you'll simply see fragrance or perfume on the ingredients list when it could actually be a cocktail of carcinogens, allergens, endocrine disruptors, and irritants. Fragrances don't give your skin any benefits. They could only irritate your skin or trigger skin allergies. So, how many of these have you applied to your skin? Well, let's add more to that with the remaining 5 ingredients you should never apply on your skin. I'm sure you're guilty of number 1. Number 5. Coconut oil, body lotions, and creams. Using coconut oil on your face is a no-no for oily skin. The trouble with coconut oil is that while it might have antioxidant properties, the harm it causes outweighs the benefits. Since coconut oil is thick, the skin will have a hard time absorbing it, so it ends up sitting on top of the skin, clogging pores, feeding bacteria and yeast, and leading to buildup and acne. The same with applying commercial body lotions and creams to your face. They're thick and oily, causing acne and breakouts that can lead to scarring. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. While 3% hydrogen peroxide is great for debriding and disinfecting wounds, it's not meant for daily, undiluted application. Repeated use of hydrogen peroxide and benzoyl peroxide, for that matter, on the skin can cause irritant and allergic reactions, blisters, and inflammation. While it is effective at lightening dark spots, the lightening effect is hard to control since you can't target individual melanin pigment cells. Also, there's no way to measure how deep the chemical reaction is that removes the pigment occurs or turn off its effects. As a result, you could end up with permanent hypopigmentation or vitiligo in certain areas. Number 3. Raw eggs. There are home remedies that use only the egg yolk, only the whites, or a mixture of the two as a mask for firming and tightening the skin and refining large pores. However, raw eggs included in recipes for anti-aging creams without proper preservatives are extremely scary. You could worry about salmonella, listeria, staphylococcus aureus, avian influenza, and other foodborne pathogens. Remember, the skin absorbs up to 66% of what you apply to it topically. So just because you're not eating raw eggs doesn't mean you can't get sick from applying them to your skin. Number 2. Waxes. If you're taking certain medications for wrinkles, acne, or sun damage, waxes could make your skin more sensitive. Waxing your face isn't a good idea. Waxing can be well tolerated for most people, but if you're on retin A or certain acne medications, you need to do a test spot because you could get some pretty nasty wounds from waxing with those medications. And last but not the least, number 1, crushed vitamins. Since most natural skincare products contain vitamins like C, E, and other antioxidants, many people think that crushing up the supplement versions of these and making them into a skincare product or spot treatment will carry the same benefits. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Most vitamins remain intact when in pill or powdered form, but become highly unstable and oxidize when mixed with water or other ingredients. So, they can cause radical damage to the skin, which is the opposite of what they're intended to. That's super bad news for your skin, since dietary supplements are meant to be ingested, digested, and metabolized. They are formulated in a way that's appropriate for those processes rather than for topical use, and would need to be formulated to penetrate the deeper layers of the skin. So, which of these things are you guilty? Share your experience with us in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about skincare routines, check out our video on 10 secrets for glowing skin. And if you find this video interesting, we'd love you to support us for more life hacks and interesting facts.